XFJ830M37. Public verification. What has XFJ830 established? And what still requires external research? The final pressure test of the third stage is: what has XFJ830 actually established? And what still requires independent verification? This distinction is essential. XFJ830 has proposed a research framework connecting time carrier, time evidence, verified duration, time asset, time value. But proposing a framework is not the same as proving every relationship within it. Therefore, the current research position should be separated into 4 categories. E. Research concepts. These are concepts proposed by XFJ830 for further study. Time carrier, verified duration, time asset, time value. R. Evidence. The relevant physical, historical, scientific, provenance, and archival evidence must be identified and evaluated according to what each source can actually establish. 3. External verification. Independent researchers and institutions must be able to examine definitions, evidence, methods, documentation, verification procedures, limitations. 4. Open questions. Some relationships may require additional evidence or future research. This is not a weakness. It is a necessary boundary between research and conclusion. The complete pressure test structure is therefore: question, proposition, evidence, independent testing, comparative evaluation, challenge, revision, further research. This means XFJ830 does not need to claim everything has already been proven. A more rigorous position is: these research questions have been proposed, the evidence can be examined, and the conclusions remain open to independent verification. That distinction protects the framework from becoming self-confirming. It also creates a clear path for the outside world. A scientist can challenge the physical evidence. A historian can examine the records. An archivist can examine continuity. A conservation specialist can examine preservation. A market specialist can examine practical relevance. An institution can conduct independent research. Each can contribute without being required to accept XFJ830's conclusions. The third stage matrix therefore closes with a different kind of closure. Not a final answer. A publicly testable research position. The complete XFJ830 pathway now becomes: human questions, existing knowledge, research gap, XFJ830 framework, time carrier, time evidence, verified duration, time asset, time value, decision making, independent verification, external research, challenge, revision, new human questions. That is the true purpose of the third stage. XFJ830 does not close the argument. It makes the argument testable. XFJ830 official website: www.xfj830.com. XFJ830 Public verification, independent research, verified duration, time value.